Welcome everybody. My name is Kyle Poon. I'm a registered psychologist. I'm going to guide you through a meditation for anxiety. So let's dive right in. I'll invite you to begin by finding a comfortable place, sitting, laying down perhaps, somewhere that feels very supportive for your body. And when you begin to sink into this place that you've chosen, I'll invite you to either close your eyes or just have perhaps a soft gaze somewhere in front of you, maybe a bit lower down, further out. All of what we do today is an invitation, and you may choose if it fits for your body as we work with your nervous system and work with the anxiety you're experiencing. I'll invite you to begin to take a few breaths in and out. You may choose to inhale through the nose and exhale either through the nose or the mouth, just landing right now, right here, in this space. Noticing that you are showing up for you right now. Noticing your breath. Nothing to change. Nothing to fix. Arriving right here. I'll invite you to bring attention to your feet. Maybe noticing warmth, coolness, pressure. Just noticing what your feet may be holding in this moment. And then slowly moving your attention upwards to your calves, noticing any tension, maybe even pain or discomfort, maybe even noticing any relaxation in these areas. Bringing your attention up to your knees. That's it. Then upwards to your thighs. To your glutes. And you're halfway there. Notice the breath. In and out. Anxiety is not a problem to fix. Rather, it's a signal to our body that there is something worth being paid attention to. Breathing in, perhaps saying out loud or in your head, I am aware of this moment. And breathing out, I let it be. Returning to your breath as an anchor anytime your mind wanders. Knowing that wandering is sometimes part of this process, permitting it to wander and then return. I am aware of this moment. I am letting it be. Good. Then bringing your attention back to your body, moving upwards to your stomach, noticing any warmth or coolness. Moving to the lower back, noticing any sensations. Then going up your torso to your chest. Noticing anything that may be held here. Being aware of this moment and permitting it to be. Next, moving up your back to the mid and upper back, noticing any tension or other sensations that may be present. And then to your hands, perhaps any sensations, perhaps any gripping, or maybe releasing of tension. Moving up to your wrists and forearms. To your elbows and upper arms. And then to your shoulders, which may be lighter or heavier, perhaps carrying the weight that you have to carry. To just noticing it in this moment, letting it be permitted right here, right now. upwards to our neck, and then up the back of the head, and then up the front, noticing any holding or sensations. That's it. Perhaps saying this out loud or internally. This is not permanent. I am not my anxiety. I can permit myself to be safe when I am safe. Peace is already within me. Notice how you feel now. Beginning to wiggle your fingers and your toes, planting your feet on the ground, opening your eyes if you close them, noticing the calm that you've cultivated, the slowing of the anxiety that may have come, and to carry this in to the rest of your day as you just showed up for you. Thank you so much to you and your nervous system for tuning in today. I really hope this was helpful for you. And if you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing to the channel so that I can continue to make more content like this for viewers like you. I hope you have an amazing day ahead. Take good care. And if you want to continue, check out some of these other meditation videos to allow your nervous system to sink even deeper into a sense of calm. Bye for now.